Now, speaking of course, tariffs, GM shares are under pressure this morning. You just heard Megan discussing, of course, the possibility of a rollback, at least on some tariffs involving auto parts. Phil LeBeau's here. He's got more on GM's quarter and what we may hear perhaps from the Trump administration. I guess GM's trying to figure it out as well right now, Phil.
Everybody's trying to figure it out, David. Let's start first off with what we got from General Motors this morning, which was the Q1 results, which is really not moving the stock a whole lot. They did beat on the top and the bottom line. They also had a North America EBIT of $3.28 billion, down from the first quarter of last year with an adjusted margin of 7.9%. What is everybody talking about when it comes to GM or really any of the automakers right now? Well, it's the fact that they don't have much certainty. And because of that, General Motors said today, you know what? We're going to move our analyst call to Thursday, and they are expected to give updated guidance for 2025 at that time. Now, keep in mind, they did have guidance back in January. They say today, no, you can't even count on that. Because of the tariffs, everything has changed. And with regard to the tariffs, we heard from Secretary Bessent, as you guys were just talking about just a few minutes ago. He said auto relief would go towards reshoring manufacturing. He wants full expensing of equipment, or he promised this, full expensing of equipment. Factories will be retroactive to January 20th. There's the incentive, especially for suppliers. And he says they want to give automakers a pass to create jobs. The challenge, guys, is this. The automakers are looking at parts tariffs that kick in on May 3rd, even with some of the adjustments that may be announced this afternoon or expected to be announced this afternoon. They're still going to face higher costs. And if you are a supplier right now, you're looking for some certainty. You don't have it with USMCA. Yes, the administration would like suppliers to move their plants back to the U.S., as well as automakers to move production to the U.S., but without USMCA certainty, what I hear back from people in the industry is, I'm not making that move. It's too costly. I need something more than simply a promise that things will improve. And I think that's going to be a real sticking point in the months ahead.
All right, there you go. That uncertainty that we were just talking about, Phil. Thank you very much.